How those charged could end up going to trial could depend on their role in creating violence and destruction.
Protests draw many groups. Things can get violent and dangerous. Republican Colorado Congressman Ken Buck leading 50 lawmakers in urging the Department of Justice to go after organizers of violent protests and groups that give them money. His announcement, posted on social media as well, is receiving mixed reaction.
I think it's important to have a full and fair and open discussion of social justice issues, but I think it's equally important to make sure that anybody that crosses that line into violence is prosecuted.
This case is drawing special attention. 22-year-old Timothy Wimpin charged with assault and explosives violations in connection with this scene. The Denver District Attorney's Office says he threw fireworks at Denver Police Headquarters last month, leaving an officer with third-degree burns and a possible concussion. But the DA says this case will not end up in the hands of a U.S. attorney. The problem solvers reached out to Beth McCann's office. Her staff explained that each case is evaluated on its merits until Fox 31. In this case, the facts support the charges that our office is able to bring versus charges that the federal government can bring. The key point here is that a Denver police officer was involved. Congressman Buck, who has served as a former federal prosecutor and district attorney himself, agrees.
The line is pretty clear. The federal government has jurisdiction over crimes that are interstate. I think it's absolutely appropriate for the Denver District Attorney to prosecute an individual protester for an individual act of violence.
Now, the problem solvers reached out to the Department of Justice as well. Not making this a federal case could mean diminished conviction penalties, but on the other hand, it could mean the case has a better chance of standing up in court. Live in Denver, Shaul Turner, Fox 31.